of RMA, CRLA, PhilErie for beginning of school year 2025-2026. This office announces the conduct and specific timelines of activities re-administration of RMA for beginning of school year 2025-2026 as follows. Okay. You can see now the activity on the first column and the second column, the date, the corresponding date. Pakipicturean nyo na muna. So the district cluster orientation for key stages 2 and 3 on July 7, 2025. Kailan yung July 7? Monday, you see? Monday na agad. Then administration of RMA for key stages 2 and 3 on July 8 to 9, 2025 or until July 16, 2025. Pero sabi nga, huwag naman natin paabutin hanggang July 16. Tama? Kailangan ipasa naman natin na before July 16 para makonsolidate ng maganda. So be sure that involved. And then, fifth column is for the resources needed. And for the last column is for the expected outputs. So, yan po yung gagawin ni
Hulyo, medyo makulimlim ang panahon. Biglang may nag-pop up na mensahe mula sa aming PSDS na maaga. Ako'y biglang kinabahan. Mukhang iiwan ko na naman mga mahal kong mag-aaral na bago lang huling tinuturuan. Akin namang binasa ang mensaheng ipinasa at aking nabatid na ako ay a-attend sa orientation training on administration ng RMA for key stages 2 at 3. Agad kong tiningnan kung ano ang petsa. Ako ay nagulat pagkat July 2 to 4 na pala. At ako ay aalis kinabukasan ng umaga. Agad nagpaalam sa pamilya sa Maynila na ako ay a-attend ng seminar sa Mamburao. Asawa'y tumunga at agad na nagwika, sana ika'y laging ligtas at laging mag-iingat. Tinanong ko agad ang aking punong guro kung kanino iiwan mahal kong mga grade 2. Mabilis na sumagot at nagbigay ng panuto, ihabilin ko daw sa grade 1 na guro.
Sa akin, lalo-lalo na po sa ganitong pagkakataon na pinagkatiwala po sa atin. Ganon din po sa kay ma'am, Martis po ng tanghali ay nasa school po ako nagtuturo. Pag may mga kapwa po tayo teachers na medyo ka-close po natin, magugulat na lang po tayo na, huy, may mga ganon, na bakit nandito ka pa? Kasi po hindi ko po talaga alam na kasama po ako sa training dahil hindi po ako na-inform ng aming anak sa training si ma'am. Kaya Martes ko na po nalaman ng tanghali na kasama po ako sa training. Kaya after lunch po, nag-go na po ako dito. Maswerte naman po nakarating na maayos na training. Napakagaling po, napakaganda ng program. Yun lamang po, thank you so much po. Ingat po sa lahat.
3-day training brought together educators and professionals committed to enhancing mathematics instruction and resource utilization. So as we reflect on the experience, it is important to highlight the key moments and overall impact it had on the participants.
We would like to thank you all again, greetings and congratulations to our newly appointed, since yesterday po, July 3, ang kanyang effectivity ng pagiging OIC, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent ng CPC. Napakita ni Sir sa akin, meron na po talaga siya order, as OIC ASES of Puerto Princesa City Division. So, yan, So, yun po, as an inspiration tayong lahat dito, of course, headed and yan, buhay na buhay ang ating pong inspirasyon si Sir Nante para po sa bawat isa sa atin, no? At tayo rin pong lahat, no? We are all inspirations to our colleagues, no? To all the participants today. And the fact that we are submissive, okay, we are, or I see your dedication, your commitment to our work, and during this 3-day seminar, I have been so impressed by your enthusiasm and engagement in this training. Khan Academy training, kasi this Khan Academy is one of the platforms, no, doon po sa ating PISA, no? PISA learning sessions, the one, this international large-scale assessment which was administered to our sampled school, OMNHS, last March 25, no? Ito po yung parang 2 months natin na preparation for PISA na through this Khan Academy platform, no, yung mga learning sessions, yun po yung ginamit na platform aside dun sa, ano yung isa natin, front learners sa grade level ready or highly proficient. And then mabawasan po ito, yung shinare sa atin ni Sir Inmenso, no? Yung sa situationer ng ating pong learning outcomes in math. So these are the things that we challenge you, our dear educators, na ma-address po natin, mapataas, ma-improve itong learning outcomes na to. So lahat po ito ay nasa inyo as our frontliners in our classrooms, no?